In this video I am going to discuss that what's a Boyle's law, and Mariotte law is the same as Boyle's law, and what's the relation concerns the compression and expansion of a gas at a constant temperature. Okay, so let's start. So what is the Boyle's law? Boyle's law, also called Mariotte law, a relation concerning the compression and expansion of a gas at a constant temperature. This empirical relation, formulated by the physician Robert Boyle in 1662, states that the pressure P of a given quantity of a gas varies inversely with the volume V at a constant temperature. The equation PV is equal to a K. A constant relationship was also discovered by the French physicist Adam Mariotte in 1676. Okay, and the Boyle's law can be derived from the kinetic theory of gases, assuming a perfect ideal gas. See, perfect gas, real gases obeys Boyle's law at a sufficiently low pressure, although the product PV generally decreases slightly at higher pressure, where the gas brings to depart from ideal behavior. Okay, and for a gas, the relation between the volume and the pressure at a constant mass and temperature can be expressed mathematically as follows: P inversely proportional to the volume, where P is the pressure exerted by the gas and V is the volume occupied by it. The proportionality can be converted into an equation by adding a constant K, where P is equal to the K into 1 upon V. PV is equal to a K, the pressure V per unit per S. Okay, so volume curve for a fixed amount of gas kept at a constant temperature is illustrated below. Okay, and yes, so here you can see a graph between the P and V. For example, where the pressure is high, then the volume is basically the low, and here point is the volume is a low, volume is a high and pressure is a low. Okay, so there's the graph P against V, and that's the graph P against 1 upon V. So that is a constant. Okay, so where 1 upon V, that is where 1 upon V is high, that there is also pressure is high. It can be observed that a solid line is obtained where the pressure exerted by the gas P is taken on the y-axis, and the inverse of the volume occupied by the gas 1 upon V is taken on the x-axis. Okay, so hopefully this Boyle's law is also helping to understand that what's the relationship between the pressure and the volume. Thank you very much.